Okay guys, it's Gary from Big Spud here and I hope you're really well. Today, my recipe for perfect roast potatoes. You know you love them. If the rest of your Sunday dinner is no good, perfect roast potatoes will save it. Overcooked veg, but nobody will forgive bad roast potatoes. So I'm going to give you all my techniques, all the techniques that I've learned from studying all the best chefs, and I promise you, this recipe is great. We're talking golden, crunchy outside, fluffy interior, just yielding soft potato. Trust me, you're going to want to make this one, whether it's for your Thanksgiving table, whether it's for your Christmas dinner, or just Sunday roast. This is worth it. Let's talk about the potatoes themselves. Paris Piper. This one, grown in Norfolk. Paris Piper gives you a great combination of soft, and yet gives you crisp once it starts to absorb the oils. Other than potato, all you're going to need are your oil or fat of choice, plus salt and pepper. Don't throw away the peels, these will come in secret later. Cut into chunks about this size, slightly larger than a golf ball maybe. And if you're wondering how many to do and how much potatoes, it's difficult to give you a weight. Everyone's slightly different. But if you allow 5 of these per person, get a large pan of water to the boil and salt that water and be generous. There's a couple of tablespoons in there. It's an ordinary kitchen cloth. Why do we have this? Well, you can use this or any muslin bag that I'm just going to put all the roast potato peelings into. The potato peelings have an awful lot of flavour and you are literally peeling them off and throwing them away. Wrap them up in this cloth, cure them with an elastic band or a safety pin and toss them in the water with your roast potatoes, and you're going to lend that potato water even more earthy flavour. When it comes to the tray you use, you should always use a metal baking tray to roast your potatoes in. It'll conduct heat at a very high temperature, give you that golden crust that you're looking for. Ceramic don't get quite as hot and they take longer to reach it as well, meaning you're missing out on golden crispy crust. Onto the oil. You will be absolutely fine using olive oil and nothing else. So you might like your duck or your goose fat. These are all really good choices. These have had about 14-15 minutes now and they are extremely tender. So tender in fact that you're going to want to be really gentle with them. When you drain them off, don't chuck them in, but lower them in gently. Start of your bag of peelings, leave them to drain for a few more minutes. The more moisture we remove at this stage, the crispier the potatoes are going to be. I'm going to put the oven to 200 degrees and them in. A couple of minutes allowing that fat just to heat up will make all the difference. With the potatoes hitting hot fat rather than cold fat, they begin to form a skin immediately. Get your potatoes in the tray, make sure you give them a good turn, coat them in all that lovely oil and flavourings. Don't add your seasonings just yet, they will get bitter if you aim in the oven this early. After 20 minutes, give them a good toss in that oil, add pepper, add salt. There's my potato, let's give it a try. So there we go, crisp on the outside, full of flavour, absolutely delicious on the inside as well. I absolutely love making roast potatoes and I hope you're going to give that one a go. If you do give it a go, please drop a comment down below and let me know how you get on. Hey, if you think I'm missing a trick, let me know. I'd be really pleased to know what I'm missing. I absolutely love roast potatoes as a tribute to the roast we used to have every Sunday growing up. It's really great to have a roast dinner with other people and people you love and share it with them. That's what good food's all about. This recipe, along with 49 others, is available in my ebook 50 Ways with Spuds, available in the comment down below. If you missed any of these steps or want more accurate measurements, I'll also put a link to my blog where everything about how to make these potatoes is also there. If that recipe did something for you, please drop a like, please share it with your friends and family. And if you think you could do with more potato stuff in your life, please hit subscribe and hit the notify button, and you'll be told every time I upload a new video, and that helps me out a great deal. Well, that's all for now, guys. Thanks very much. Enjoy your potatoes.